Good night for everybody. My name is Helman Moncayo Mora, and today I'm going to talk about the Paris the talk of animal testing for medical research. This is one topic that I want to talk to you because I consider that this is more important to know about the consequence and other things that suffer for now that the animals suffer for the practice and for the practice test of the human products that we use in our daily lives. Some of these products could be the hair, the the hair, the cream of the for the hair, the gel, and other things like that. We need to know that in the past, the companies using animals for testing his products, and in sometimes the animals that for these practices that can be considered ethical and have a lot of moral implication too, because no known about the practice that some companies using for improve their own products um, can make that the reputation and using of the products that the companies made it and going in decrease. Mm, we need to know that this practice, we need to know that the animals are treated like experimentations for testing products that the humans usually use, because in the past we cannot know about the consequence that some products bring us or healthy, and in the medical research for the cures of some sick like grippe, um, VIH, and others sick like that. Well, the people use other forms for know about something that can help them to help and healed his own state, and in sometimes if they try to look for their healthy and their 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 own favor, the people try to do things that can be more aggressively. In the testing of the animals, we can need to know that firstly, the animals have feelings like us. And I hope do you know that the feelings like the heart, pain, the hatchy, and other symptoms like that can be felt like could be felt for the animals like us, because they have feelings, they are smart, and they are as smart as us. This is one example of why the animals can feel something things like the feelings of us. So the use of animals in the medical practice, I think that this is not a great idea. Secondly, we need to know that the animals can be a little bit different of the humans. Someone like the rats or guinea pigs or something like this are used usually in the companies for testing the products, because they have an similar anatomy with the humans. So, I had I had no about anything of what I don't know. I need to do a question for you. If you want to try a product that you didn't know where it come from or where have tested of if it's good for you and you're healthy, you could be a you could be a you should be a little uncomfortable, and this make to you feel insecure, and you don't have any interest or try something that you don't know where it come from. So I know I had known that the animals are part of these products, but with the actual technology we can use some 3D models or 3D ADN models for um, for test these products, because hordes of moles or disgusting things like the pain and the articulatory system, the nervous system, or something of our body, we can make we can reply with the technology, to the actuality technology. So I'm grateful for this effort that the companies made for give better life to the animals that they traded in the past. So am I? I don't know. I think that is a little bit difficult because we cannot know about the interests of the person in the past. I know. I think that the persons try to do the best for humanity, because humanity search the constantly the benefits and the best things for them, but in the process sometimes they hurt the natural environments, the animals, and other aspects of the context that they are in. Um, I hope these experiments stop. I hope I hope to. But it's risky for the animals. Sometimes I don't know if the tests are made for for the animals in some cases, because with the creation of cellular artificial cells and some things like that, the environment of the medical resource are improvement a little bit, and this helps us to give us other chance to view the usually use of animals or subjects of practice for the for dogs, like the tests in humans, animals, or things like that. So for now, we need to know that these experiments could be a little different of the usually. And in the past, the people are a little awareness of the consequence that the products and things like that could affect the health of the humans. And the reason for the people to try that is a little bit weird. But the tests are made by programs in this moment. And I think it's good, because the Brockman are made by people, and and these things are a little bit different of the usually things that we use to know about the research of medical structures or something like that. In conclusion, I think that the use of animal for medical treatments or something like that, like this a product or things like this, need to stop. If someone in the world or one company or something like that are experiment or testing with these animals, need to stop because I I can know the risking about the using of these animals for testing these products that can make the animals suffer, and this is not good because morality is very bad, and I think this is not a good idea to use the animals for these finals. So thank you so much, and I hope you like it. My talk, my parish talk about the use of animals for medical treatments. Good night.